switch on in Coulsdon. It's going to be fun. It's going to be bright as well. We're going to see Santa. But it's going to be very fun.
Light's gone. Okay, we'll see you there. Bye bye. See you there.
See you there. And it's going to be so fun.
Oh, look, look. That one's coming up. Look. Yeah, look, that one's on. Hey. Look, they're going to switch those ones on in a minute. Look, look. They're going to go on. Keep an eye out. We're waiting, we're waiting. Come on. What? Oh, there's that one. That one's on. Go one by one.
What's that one?
Oh, yeah, look, that one's on. Okay, so now it's going to be one of these ones.
No, it's that one over there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that one there's going to switch on now, yeah. Oh, we literally just one at a time. Oh.
Would you like a sweetie? Good.
Santa, go have a sweet. Is it hi, Santa? Not stopping. Oh, you've got loads of stuff.
And the jar is actually mine.
Yeah.
And I want it.
Look at this.
Oh,
Okay, you can stop.
we're back now. And this is what we got. So this is, I want this little teddy bear and like this jar of sweets. Like I got the highest number, so I got the jar of sweets. And I got this for orange now. And I got this glow stick. And look what this does. And I have this. It's so cool because it can turn upside down, it can turn yellow. Well, these are both now yellow. Now orange. So this is little teddy. So my baby sister lost her. So yeah.
And that's the other thing in your hand.
Kids, what's the other bit?
Mm.
Oh, this is Aria's glow. What did I got a one Westbrook. No. Oh yeah, it's good. And you can do like this go. And this go with it. So I go like this. See.
Did you have a good time?
Yep. What's it not going on?
Close it, please.
It fell. You put all that back. Wait a minute. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.